If your Ford Ranger is refusing to fire up, don't call the tow truck yet because the fix is often simpler than you think. Statistically, nearly half of all non-starting Rangers are caused by a weak battery or corroded terminals. Let's walk through the systematic diagnosis to find exactly why your truck is sitting idle. Start with the basics by checking your battery health and ensuring your shifter is properly engaged in park. Listen closely when you turn the key because the specific sound tells you exactly which component has failed. If the engine cranks but won't catch, your Ford's inertia switch might have tripped, cutting off the fuel supply. Most Ranger starting issues are DIY friendly, but internal engine or fuel pump issues usually require a shop. While a new battery is an easy $100 fix, a failed fuel pump can quickly climb towards $700. If the basics look good, use an OBD2 scanner to check for hidden sensor faults that prevent ignition. Keep a basic socket set and a multimeter in your truck to handle these common electrical gremlins on the road. Always remember that the simplest explanation is usually the right one, so start with your battery connections. With these steps, your Ford Ranger should be back on the road in no time, safe driving out there.